everybody, my name's Celeste Greene. I'm a certified laughter yoga teacher and laughter ambassador. So welcome to my 5-minute laughter workout. We are gonna laugh like kids on a playground and have a really good time looking at each other the whole time and laughing with each other. All right, this is gonna help you feel great and get all the health benefits of laughter. And we all know that laughter is the best medicine. So I wanna invite you to take your hands together with me. Take your hands together and just clap with a full palm to palm, finger to finger clap. Let's go. Very nice. And you can laugh if you want. And then we're going to take the hands to the side and we're going to go ho, ho. Other side, ha, ha, ha. Keep going. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yeah. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. You got it. Ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. 2 more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Very nice. Let's breathe in, stretch up. And release. Breathe in, stretch up. And release. This next time we're going to laugh on the way down. Breathe in, stretch up. Just laughing. Very nice. I'm going to teach you another chant that we're going to use throughout our time together. It goes like this. Very good, very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good, very good, yay! So when you hear the ho, ho, ha, 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 or the very good, yay, join in. That's how I'm going to let you know that we're ending one laughter exercise and starting a next one. Our first laughter exercise is called waving laughter. We are going to wave at each other, you guessed it, all while laughing, all right? Waving laughter, ready, go. Now wave like it's your best friend that you haven't seen in 5 years. Woo! Fist bump. And very good, yay. Let's do that again. Very good, yay. Very nice. This next exercise is called laugh at yourself. If you can learn to laugh at yourself, you will never be out of material. So we're just going to point to ourselves and just laugh, all right? Laugh at yourself laughter. Ready, go. Ho, 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 ho. And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 2 more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, 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 and yay. Let's try the sprinkler dance. Here you go. Place one hand on the side of your head, other hand extended, and we're going to go and we're just going to laugh on the way out. Do that with me. Other side. Here we go. Both sides. And very good, yay. Let's do it again. Very good, yay. Just sigh out. Good deep breath in, breathe in. And release. One more time, breathe in, stretch up. And release. Ah, very nice. Well, thank you so much for laughing with me today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep laughing. Bye.